Very good day, students. So I welcome you back to another lecture on biolubricants. So in the previous lecture we discussed about introduction to biolubricants and the need for biolubricants. So now we will discuss about what are the need for biolubricants and what are biolubricants. So definition for biolubricants is that they are made from renewable sources and they are biodegradable in nature. So what renewability means? So renewability, what it means is that the source of biolubricants should replenish over a period of time. For example, take an example for biolubricants. You can take castor oil. So castor oil is produced basically from jatropha seeds. So jatropha is a plant based seed, so it can be produced again and again through farming process. So that's what it indicates, is that it's a renewable source of it's a renewable source. So that is what renewability means. So second criteria is that it should be biodegradable in nature. So when it is used, it should be disposed. So when disposed, the material should be readily biodegradable. It should be broken down into simpler compounds within a specified period of time, and it should mix with the atmosphere. So that is what biodegradability means. For example, if you take plastics, it takes about 100 years to break it down into simple molecules, but if you take paper, it is recycled within a shorter span of time. So that is paper is biodegradable and plastic is non-biodegradable. So that is what biodegradability means. And then need for biolubricants. Why should we use biolubricants? So as I mentioned, petroleum based lubricants pose many environmental threats such as soil pollution, air pollution, and when ingested they are carcinogenic in nature. They produce cancer cells in our body and it is carcinogenic in nature, and also when we come in contact with those petroleum based substitutes, they possess skin irritation and also skin cancer is caused due to them. But when you go for biolubricants, such problems are eliminated. So that's the reason why we are going for biolubricants. And another important factor in using of biolubricants is that biolubricants naturally possess polarity. They are polar in nature. So what it indicates is that they readily stick to the surface of the tool and the surface of the workpiece, and they provide better lubrication when compared to petroleum based additives. So this is proved by many literatures. So that's the reason why we are going for biolubricants, and also where we can use them. So they can be utilized in many applications such as biofuels. So biofuels, namely ethanol, are used as substitute for petroleum in many countries, and also they can be used for lubrication as engine lubricants and also in cutting fluid industry. So those are the applications where these biolubricants can be utilized. So there are various types of biolubricants. As you can see, there are vegetable oils, the lubricants which are obtained from vegetable based components. Example for them are canola oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, etc. And lubricants obtained from animal fats, and also bio based solvents. So solvents like ethyl lactate, they can be mixed with other chemical compounds to produce biolubricants. So these are the sources of biolubricants and the need for biolubricants. So thank you. We will see in another lecture video.